Amazon is one of those services where everything seems super cheap on the surface, but there is a ton of hidden fees. For example, Prime just went from literally only $10 a month to $15 a month, which is absolutely insane, and that's kind of ridiculous. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different methods that you guys can use today to literally get anything you want for entirely free on Amazon. None of these methods are any kind of hacks or require you to go to some weird link or do some weird thing. There's no logs that we're doing here. These are just strict, real working methods that anybody can do. So the first method I'm gonna go ahead and recommend for you guys, what you guys can do is you guys can actually go on the seller contact us page. So you have to contact the seller directly on Amazon. And then what you can do is you can ask them for either a free product or a product credit. So essentially there'll be credit redeemed to your Amazon balance, which obviously isn't the best option, but a lot of the times, if you guys find a lesser known company or a company that has money, like OtterBox, for example, that doesn't have a lot of reviews, and you tell them, hey, I will write a 5-star review in exchange for a free product, they will give you that voucher that then you guys can use for a free product, and then boom, just like that, you will get it sent to you for free, and all you have to do is write a 5-star review. This is something that people do on Amazon all the time. It's been going on forever, and it is a super easy way to get a product for entirely free. Another thing to check out is the Amazon Influencer Program. This is essentially when you get free products shipped to you, or you use products that you've already bought from Amazon to go ahead and record videos showing people the product, giving a product review for it. And then you get earnings if someone watches your video and then buys the product. There are people making up to $10,000 a month on the Amazon Influencer Program, but excluding that, you guys can literally just sign up today and actually go ahead and get free products sent to you for completely free in exchange for doing a influencer review. So I'm actually in the Amazon Influencer Program, and these are some of the videos that I went ahead and made. And as you guys can see, these are super easy to make. This is me in like my old room, and I literally made $20 off of this video, and I got this tripod sent to me for entirely free for just making the video. But now that I'm here on my phone, I want to show you guys another 3 methods for getting entirely free stuff on Amazon. And the best part about these methods is that these methods are going to literally teach you how to download some completely free apps that cost you nothing, that you guys can literally make up to over $25 with just downloading these apps. So make sure you guys watch till the end of the video, because if you download these apps, you will make a free $25. The first app I'm going to recommend downloading is going to be SoFi. I'm going to have a link for SoFi in the description and in the pinned comment, and there's a reason why you guys want to go ahead and sign up to SoFi with that link. SoFi is essentially a banking app. They also have like a credit builder and very good loans. So if you guys are interested in any of that, I would recommend using SoFi for that as well as they can show you your credit score. But if we go to the Get $75 button, if someone goes ahead and signs up to SoFi using a referral link, so let's say you did, you would get a free $25 for doing so, provided that you deposited $100 into the SoFi account within 2 weeks of doing it. So that means that you guys can literally deposit $100, get the $25 bonus, then withdraw $125, and you just made a free $25 for doing literally nothing. Keep in mind, guys, this program is only going to be available for a limited time, so make sure you guys literally just go ahead and click on the link, sign up for SoFi. It is super easy to do, and it is actually a really, really nice bank to have as well. It costs literally nothing month to month. It is completely free, and the best part is that you will get completely free money for doing it, and for full transparency, it will be going ahead and supporting me and the channel. So if you guys want me to go ahead and make more videos like this where I'm putting y'all on free game, make sure to go ahead and sign up for SoFi. The next app that I would recommend is going to be Attapoll. You guys can download Attapoll from either the Apple or the Google Play Store, and once you guys download it, all you have to do is click open right here, and then after you do that, make sure to go to where it says My Profile, go to Enter Invite Code, and enter in this code exactly like this. The code you guys are going to want to enter is going to be JCCGC. Just like that, and then when you guys enter that, you will get a free 50 cents that you can deposit into your PayPal balance. As you guys can see, I've made a ton of money on Attapoll, but I have actually made this money by using the app. If we go over here to surveys, as you guys can see, there is a $2 survey that you guys can go ahead and fill out right now, that it says it will take you about 21 minutes, but in reality, it's probably going to only take you about 10 minutes, which means that if you guys spend an hour filling out surveys, you will literally make more than minimum wage in my state. So it would literally pay you guys more just to sit here and fill out surveys and listen to music or something than it would to go get a real job at Mickey D's. But I'm not done yet, because there's a third and final app I would highly recommend you guys download, because if you guys download this app, you'll get a free $1 that you guys can deposit into your PayPal balance as well. The app is going to be Eureka. I'm going to have both links to sign up for Eureka and Attapoll in the description as well, so all you have to do is you just have to click on those links, and then you also don't have to worry about entering in any invite codes. When you guys are creating your account on Eureka, make sure you guys put in my exclusive referral code, which is going to give you guys $1 upon sign up. The code you guys are going to want to enter is going to be 8UXHGY. Once you guys enter that code, you will get a free $1 upon sign up, as well well as it will be supporting me and supporting the channel. So you guys are going to get some entirely free money just from that. And if you go to the cash out bar right here, as you guys can see, you can withdraw into a bank transfer, a PayPal account, virtual Visa, Amazon as well. So that's why Amazon, I'm putting y'all on for Amazon right here. Addapple also allows you to deposit into an Amazon gift card balance, meaning that you guys are getting entirely free Amazon gift cards just with these two apps right here. But you guys will only get the sign-on bonus if you sign up with a referral link. So that's why I'm trying to get you guys to sign up for the referral link, is to make sure that you guys get the most amount of money possible from these apps. And with that all being said, that is the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and click on this video that you can see right here.